Hello and welcome to another update video about Algorand. Algo is a chart that has unfortunately crashed basically in 5 waves into the August-September 2023 lows. The move up since then hasn't really been very satisfying, and it's not clearly bullish. No, we have indeed a first 5-wave move up that does give us some, you could say, bullish vibes on the shorter time frame. That at least looks like the price wants to go higher, and well, it did actually, right? So that was the thesis: 5 waves up, 3 waves down. It formed a higher low and then rallied, but it rallied only in 3 waves, which is a big problem because that does not clearly confirm that a substantial top is in. But it was high enough, that move, to maybe complete all the corrective rally that we were watching for. Yeah, A, B, C, and then we go now to new lows. But as I said, it was only a 3-wave move up, and ideally we would have expected a 5-wave move up. So that suggests to me that there is at least a chance that the market could extend this this cycle. At least we get some clues. Okay, that's all we can get. I mean, it's not a crystal ball, right? So, but the thing is, we have a 5-wave move up, which would be wave A. But then this here could be an A wave down. This could be a B wave up and a C wave down. And then we could still get another rally. So basically A wave, B wave, C wave. Then we go down. In all cases, I mean, I don't see all-time highs, but what I can potentially agree with is the chance that the price goes, or the possible scenario that there's going to be a C wave rally into resistance. And resistance is between 74.89. I mean, it's not really a target. It's more like resistance, but it suggests there could be a rally above the previous high, for example, above the 61.8 cent level, and then we have 74.89 cents as important resistance level, the golden ratio level, and then $1.33. I'm not sure if we get there. We're currently at 18 cents. Price is still likely not done with its correction. It could still go a little lower as the smaller time frame structure shows. Why does it show that? Well, if you look at this, we have a potential wave 1 down, a wave 2 up. This here could be a 3rd wave, 4th wave, 5th wave down, which might need another low. Which might need another low. And on the micro level, we could have started this 5th wave to the downside, or the 5th wave to the downside of wave C. Yeah, and the next support levels are 16.9 cents. Well, we might go below that, 14.4 cents then. And as long as we're holding 11.5 cents, the scenario that relates to a rally into the resistance area remains valid. But that's not something that just automatically is going to happen, you know. Bear in mind, the larger context, the bigger picture isn't clearly bullish. So it's definitely something I am watching for, but there needs to be more evidence. There needs to be something that tells me that this rally has actually started. For now, the local trend is down, and it would take a break above the first green line at 21.7 cents to suggest that a low of sorts is formed. And then the next resistance is around 26 cents, and then the previous swing high around 31 cents. For now, the local trend is clearly down, especially as long as the 27th of March high is not broken. Yeah, so then we can watch this area for potential reactions, but I really need a first 5-wave move up on the micro level to, let's say, believe that we're turning around. Yeah, to believe that we're turning around, because this is a downtrend that started in December, so it's quite a long downtrend again, and just waiting here for evidence that a low has formed. But this is still printing lower lows and lower highs. That's the update about Algo. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.